Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. I am the Dawgfatha, and this is Barbecue Boulevard with the Dawgfatha. Now, the holiday season is upon us. That means we're gonna have some fantastic foods going on all over the place. And what about the appetizers? Can we get the appetizers, love? So today, we're gonna do a baked brie on a Pit Boss grill. So let's get into it. So that's right, we're doing a baked brie on a Pit Boss grill today. It's gonna take minimal ingredients, guys. It's super simple and a fast recipe to pull off. All you need is a little bread dough, a little brie cheese, some butter, and maybe some preserves or whatever you like to put in it to dress it up. But that's really all it is. So let's put this recipe together. All right, so to get started with this recipe here, I've got some bread dough. Now you can use a store-bought bread dough or make your own bread dough. It's totally up to you. This is a store-bought bread dough that I've got cut into a 9-inch diameter circle here that we're gonna work with. And here I've got some melted butter. And basically I'm gonna take this butter and I'm gonna brush it on all the way on the outside edge of our bread dough. Now the butter is gonna help us when we get our brie into it here. And it's also going to help brown up. All right, so now we've got our brie cheese, guys, and this is going to be basically the star of the show. We're going to put this into the center of our bread dough, and then basically we're going to take our bread dough and we're going to fold it right up on top of our brie cheese, and we're just going to keep folding it over, guys. Just like this. And we're basically leaving a little opening here in the center. Now, I'm not a baker, but that's probably the best I'm gonna get out of this. It might not be as pretty. I'm sure you guys can probably do a lot better than I am doing with this, but it's okay. All right, now we've got a tray here that I've got some parchment paper here. I cut the parchment paper out to fit the tray. Pro tip, spray your pan with some spray oil and then put your parchment paper down on it so it'll stick and hold in place for you. Now basically we're going to take our bread dough and our brie cheese here. We're going to put it right onto our tray here. Now we've got that melted butter, right? Butter is goodness. So we're going to brush some of that butter right onto the edges of this of the bread dough here, just like so. And when I tell you this recipe is easy, guys, it's very super simple and easy. And that's what we've got right here. We are pretty much done prepping our brie cheese here, and now we're going to get it onto the grill. All right, so today we're going to be using our Pit Boss Vertical Series 7, and we're going to be running it at 375 degrees today. All right, so let's get this brie onto the grill and let's get it going. All right, so our brie is going in, again, 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's probably gonna go for a good, I don't know, maybe 15 minutes or so, or until it's nicely golden brown. So let's get the grill closed up here and let this cook start. All right, now baked brie is one of those things, man, that you can do pretty much any time of the year, but it really goes well as a great appetizer in the holiday season. And so that's what we kind of do, and that was the inspiration for doing this. We're in the holiday season right now, so let's make some baked brie on the grill, Pit Boss grill to be exact. So question for you guys is, what are some of the appetizers that you guys like to make for your holiday crowd? Pop that in the comments down below. Let's talk about it. All right, guys, we're about halfway through this cook, and I'm gonna turn our tray around just so we can promote, you know, good even cook on this baked brie. And just like that, we're gonna close it back up and we're gonna keep it going. All right, gang, it looks like we are done. We are roughly at about 18-19 minutes on this baked brie. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get this off the grill so we can let it rest up. So I don't think I wanna get it any darker, so let's get it off. All right, so we've given our brie a chance to cool here, and we're gonna finish it off. And now what I like to do, and the reason why we've got this hole in here, is I like to put some preserves in here. Now today I've got some raspberry preserves, but obviously use whatever you'd like. But we're just gonna get some preserves put in this hole just like this. You know, just because, you know, that good rich brie with the bread and little raspberry preserves just really works well together. And man, that right there is an absolute excellent appetizer for your event, or just to have around the house whenever it's a holiday season. All right, so let's get a piece of this brie cut out of here, and let's check it out, guys, because it smells really damn good. So I've got to get into this. All right. And there we go. There's our baked brie. Now, as you can see, our brie is nicely soft there, but you could obviously let this go a little longer if you want this to get really super gooey. But I didn't want the bread to get any darker, so I pulled it. Besides, I kind of let it rest a little long here, so it actually had a little chance to stiffen up too, and that's okay because we're going to get into this. So let's taste this brie now. All right, cheers. Oh yeah. I'm telling you, the good rich saltiness of the brie against that the raspberry preserves, it's just a great balance of sweet and savory that is just awesome. Hopefully you guys will give this recipe a try, but I appreciate you for joining me on you know, another episode of BBQ Boulevard with the Dawgfatha. I hope you guys have a fantastic holiday season, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Baked brie, let's go.